is 2nd of August 2026, and here in London we had without rain for many weeks, and many gardens are struggling. Now let's take a tour and see what's happening in my garden. Despite no rain here in London for many weeks, but I must say my Deshi vegetable garden is thriving with vegetables. Now let's begin with ash gourd. One plant and it's giving me insane harvest. Now, I grow ash gourd for two reasons. One, to eat my curries and stir fry. Secondly, most importantly, to make traditional Bengali murabba. If you look at here, this one is a green skin ash gourd. If you want to eat curry or stir fry, you harvest them at this stage. Don't allow waxy powder to form on the gourd. If you look at here, it's got ash, waxy stuff on the skin, and it's getting hard. I'm going to allow this fruit to mature on the plant for about 6-7 weeks until the plant dies. And this is for making murabba. And this is for stir fry with my prawns, or cook them with fish, chicken, meat, whatever you want to cook your curry with. But you must harvest them when the skin is still green before getting powdery wax on the skin and before the skin becomes hard. As you know, this is khodu, Bangladeshi lau. Now they grow in different sizes. Now this variety can grow up to about 2 feet long, but when you grow them in the ground, they don't grow too well in containers. The root cannot spread out. Now I've been harvesting many of them this year, and many big size khodus. If I allow it to grow, the skin is going to get firm and it's not going to taste as nice. So poke a nail onto the skin, and if it goes in nicely, still tender. I've harvested about 15 of these apple bottle gourds. They grow a little bigger than this, maybe another inch, and I'm going to harvest this one. And it's producing plenty. Now let me show you snake gourds. Amazing, look. Clusters of sisinda. This is the white color one, and I'm getting plenty of this. This one is ready for me to harvest. This is not quite ready yet. Wow, so many. Yeah, this is ready for harvest. Oh, this is a different variety. They look a bit fat, not as long. I have abundance of Sim Uri, but I find they grow better in the ground. So next year, I'm not going to grow them in containers, especially the British weather is becoming more like Mediterranean weather, and we don't get as much more rain. So next year, I'm not going to grow as much in containers. I'm going to try to grow as much as I can in the ground. All these are ready for harvesting. I'm going to get my wife to harvest them. You need to be more patient with these ones. I prefer to harvest larger vegetables. I'm going to leave this on the plant for maybe another day or two before I harvest this one. Now, I've been getting a lot of messages asking how many hodus you get per plant. It depends on the variety you're growing. Now, this variety you could, if you have a healthy plant and you grow them into the ground, not in pots, you should be getting 5 to 8 large size hodus. Now, don't let the hodu grow too big, otherwise you're not going to get as many hodus on the plant. So this hodu plant on this tray list, there's only one plant on this tray list, has given me already about 10 hodus and still producing more. Still producing plenty of more. The more you harvest, the more the hodu will produce. But you must feed your hodu plant. They're very hungry plants, and you must grow them into the ground. Growing in containers, you're not going to get as many, not as big. So the plant is looking, mashallah, very healthy, producing lots of vines, lots of healthy leaves. Now these Jhinga are ready for me to harvest, but harvesting too many vegetables in one time, you can't eat them. And I've been sharing many with my friends and family. So I'm going to let my wife harvest them when she chooses. Oh, they taste absolutely delicious when you cook them with ilishamas. We had ilishmas with Jhinga the other day, and it was so delicious. Amazing. Look at the size of this Korola, bitter gourd, and the snake gourd. This is not in any South Asian country. This is here in the UK. I'm really thrilled. I'm absolutely delighted to be able to grow Deshi vegetable here in the UK and get abundance of them. I really hope you enjoyed watching this harvesting video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. That's beautiful.